Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make green concrete powder in Minecraft. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 4 blocks of gravel and 4 blocks of sand. Then, you'll also need 1 unit of green dye. Once you have all these materials, you're ready to head to a crafting table to begin the process. It's a straightforward recipe for a vibrant building material. Finding your materials is quite simple. Gravel blocks are often found near bodies of water, like rivers or oceans, and also frequently appear in caves. Sand blocks are abundant in desert biomass and along beaches. For the green dye, you'll need to find a cactus, which grows in deserts, and then smelt it in a furnace to get the dye. These are all common resources. Now, let's craft the powder. Open your crafting table. Place the single unit of green dye directly in the center slot of the 3x3 grid. Then, surround that green dye with 4 blocks of gravel and 4 blocks of sand, filling the remaining 8 slots. This precise arrangement will yield 8 blocks of green concrete powder, ready for your building projects. Once you have your green concrete powder, you can turn it into solid concrete. Simply place the powder block down and then introduce water to it. This can be done by placing water next to it or by letting it fall into water. The powder will instantly solidify into a durable, vibrant green concrete block, perfect for modern builds. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.